IoT iOffload design contest. Join our design contest to create any project using hardwired TCP dual IPv4 v6 product. IoT iOffload contest is an international project contest for developers worldwide, powered by WIZnet. This contest gives developers an opportunity to showcase your skills in IoT, innovation and competency. If you are a student, graduate, feel free to join our design contest. It is open to all. Total prize of IoT iOffload design contest is $15,000. First prize of $1,000, each for 5 teams. Second prize of $500, each for 20 teams. The following are the important dates for the competition. Keep your calendars marked. Register now at maker.WIZnet.io website. For more information, please contact us through email, phone, or website.